Look, he know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him don't put my name on it account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him don't put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna. Hey y'all, I didn't give y'all an update last night, but pretty much I flew in from Jersey and then straight out the flight I came here, changed, took a shower, all that. Got ready, and then I went out with my friends to this place called Pins Mechanical, I think that's right. And it was really fun. It was a cute little spot, out kind of outside-ish because it was real open, but it was for my friend Sydney's birthday. Her birthday was yesterday and she wanted to go somewhere cute or whatever, so that's where we went. We had some fun, and yeah, I'm glad I could make it in time for that, some of the birthday festivities, because she's been celebrating a little bit more. But yeah, pretty much right now I'm getting ready for a lash appointment that is all the way an hour away, so I have to hurry up. So that's what you guys are watching me do right now, and then throw on some clothes, and then we're out of here. So yeah, come along with me for the rest of it. Oh, so I'm trying out this vlog thing, with a week in a life vlog thing. If you guys like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I hope I pick up the camera enough for the vlog, but I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I just finished with brushing my teeth, washing my face, and this is pretty much it. It's just this all black sweatsuit from Walmart, real cheap. We love a matching set. It's pretty much what we're looking like. I don't know, some people like to tuck their things, but I don't think I'm gonna tuck it. Just gonna let it fly. It's just gonna be a black on black moment. It's raining outside and I don't want to wear anything that I really care about because it's raining and we're just trying to get our lashes done. This will be my first time getting my lashes done, by the way, so fingers crossed I don't have an allergic reaction. Tennis shoes are just these running shoes, so these Nike running shoes, Fly Knit, I think. Fly Knit, Fly Run, Fly Knit. So they're super cute. I love them, and they're my most comfortable running shoes. So I packed a duffel just in case I decided to stay at my mom's house. But before I leave, I'm going to and then I also have a backpack with my laptop and stuff like that. But before I leave, I'm gonna run through a package I have, because whenever I was gone, I got a package from Fashion Nova that I ordered, and it's a long time coming because I had a few hiccups with Fashion Nova. I normally really love their how timely they are with shipping and everything. I've never had too much of a problem with their company, but this last time it was a little mess. But we got it together and I got the package, and figures you know how you order something and you kind of don't remember what you ordered because of the hiccups. Like, I've had to replace orders and stuff sold out, and yeah. So I kind of forgot why, guys. So I'm gonna look through that real quick, and then we're gonna hop on the road. Maybe go to Starbucks and then hop on the road and get ready to get our lashes done. Hope they're really cute. I think they gonna be cute. They might be cute. And these nails, girl, ooh, horrendous. I think I'm gonna get them soaked off and just get regular paint and just deal with my real nails. So yeah, that's what we doing. And I'll catch back up with y'all later. Morning, y'all. Last time I checked in was about a day ago. It was real hectic and I forgot my camera whenever I was moving and grooving and everything. But today is brunch day and we are going to Restoration Hardware for my girl Sydney's birthday. The reservation is for like 11:45, so I need to get ready because it is 8:43 and I like to take my time getting ready and stuff. And yeah, I look a mess, but these are the lashes, real natural, kind of long. But yeah, I need to comb them out so they don't look their very best, because I literally just woke up and picked up the dang on camera. But yeah, I spent last night doing my hair because I switched it up. I should have recorded it, but it was so late and I was super tired and I didn't want to drain my battery because I knew I was going to be vlogging today. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now, is getting ready. Let me stop all that rambling so I can get there. Either I'll pick it up while I'm getting ready or I'll see you guys at the restaurant. Okay, bye. I see you whining and grinding up on the floor. I know you see me looking at you and you already know I wanna love you. You already know I wanna love you. Okay, if it'll focus, here it is. This is the look for today. Last time y'all see me, I think I had on a longer wig, but I put on a bob from Mega Look Hair. I've done a video on this hair before. I just ended up getting a new one from Amazon. They didn't send it to me. I just got it and I like the quality of the hair. It's transparent lace and it's really easy to work with, I feel like, for beginners, because like I told you guys before, I'm really a beginner when it comes to doing my own hair. But yeah, if you guys want to check this hair out, I have a link in one of those videos, so check that out on my channel. But yeah, this is pretty much the fit. I want to show you guys real quick. My jacket I'm supposed to wear, it's up in the air. It's either between a crop one from Zara or a long one from Nasty Gal. So I'm thinking the long one from Nasty Gal, but it's so wrinkled because I just got it, so it's literally like wrinkly. So I'll just iron it. But this is a white top from Pretty Little Thing. It's an oversized top. I pretty much tied it in that TikTok way that you wrap around your like bra. I think it's cute, especially showing off the jeans I got from Zara. I think the hair like really brings the look up a notch. My sister told me to do a bob because I was gonna do my regular hair, but no, it looks cute. It looks cute with the fit. And then, oh, the part I was telling you guys about, the jacket. So I was gonna do either this jacket while I'm talking, like this jacket right here, and like drape it like this. Like, how cute is that? And I was gonna do the same thing except for a cropped blazer, but I kind of want to wear that crop blazer another time. But I'm like, you could just wear it again. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear this long one. So let me iron this, and then I think I'm gonna put on some flats to walk all the way downstairs. And yeah, check in with my homegirl, see if she's ready to go. So I'll see you guys at the restaurant.
think in front of the door is really pretty too. Yeah, y'all, we got some pinks and everything going. The food killed, it's gone. It was so good. About that. Birthday girl. And then I got the lobster roll, and then I had the truffle fries, and then this was the aioli, but that was killed. It was busting. The truffle fries, 10 out of 10. Lobster roll, 10 out of 10. She had the salmon, and then she had the sauteed steak, like sandwich thing. It was so good. Yeah, I'm gonna vlog later because the music's bumping up here. Hold on. Okay, so we just left the little spot for brunch and I was feeling ice cream, so we're gonna take the birthday girl to get some ice cream. Yeah.